Hello guys, welcome to another fresh video. So today we are going to talk about the motovlogging setup that I use. So I just upgraded my setup, so I thought that I will tell you guys about it. So basically what we are using is we are with the Royal Enfield helmet, and we are using the chin mount. I'll give the link of this in the description. If you all want, maybe you all can buy it from here. So I've just done a few mods to the helmet itself. Like for example, I've just made two holes over here so that the straps of the chin mount can pass directly. Also what I've done is I passed the aux, meaning the mic cable through here, through inside itself, not like pressing the chin mount, like the chin mount is free, so that wind is covered here and it does not enter through here. Also, like the mic I've covered up with a proper foam. There is another video, you all can check it out. I'll just give the link of it over here. Besides this, like what I've done is, over here also I have passed the mounts through over this side, and not over here, so that now you can see that it's perfectly closing. Yeah, also like there are vents over here, right? So I've covered them on this side with some masking tape so that wind does not directly enter through here. Another tip, just make sure that every time, like on whatever helmet you use, you mount the mic at this side. Don't mount it over here, because whenever you speak, your voice will crack a bit. So you have to keep in mind that you have to mount your mic this side. Okay, on either side, this side or maybe this side as well. So talking about the camera, I am going to be using the Insta360 X3. Like from the name itself, you can come to know that this is a 360 camera. So this does the job well. I just took a few test shots as well. I'll put it at the end of the video. And we are using this mount to mount it right here. And this is obviously a media mode for the Insta360 X3. So just a minute. So we can simply start by mounting this right here. Also, we will be needing a converter. Like this is a 3-pin to 2-pin converter. I don't know what is the exact name for it, but like you can see that there are 3 rings over here, 3 black rings, and here there are just 2. So we will be needing this to convert it to connect it to the media mode. And like this is mounted. So now it's time that we mount the camera itself over here. Okay, so this is done. Secondly, what we'll be needing to do is we will have to remove this. Okay, so we will have to remove this one. So just keep in mind that after you remove this sleeve, this camera is not waterproof anymore. So like in order to prevent the rainwater through seeping in, what I've done is I've just put some foam and I made this like a DIY waterproof kind of a hack, and this goes here. Okay, and then your mic is connected. Okay, so this is what it is going to look like. So the beauty of the X3 is like that it shouldn't be exactly perpendicular to the angle in front. It can maybe be like this, or whatever angle it is. And like while you are exporting it, you can adjust it to the exact frame that you want. Although the mic is a bit heavy, I mean the camera is a bit heavy, but it is not much as heavy as your phone. Like previously I was vlogging using my phone, but this will do the job now. So like since as you can see that this is creating an obstruction, like whenever you look through here, what you can do is you can simply just tilt it a little bit. Okay, so once you tilt it a little bit, again you don't have to worry about the camera angle, because this is a 360 mic, obviously a 360 camera, and it can capture at any angle. So while exporting, you just need to be careful about that. So I'll just put it on the head and I'll show you how it looks like. I'll also show you the audio quality from the internal mic itself. So let's just put it. So back to our helmet. This is what the view looks like in front, and like you can even view it at the back. So like this, and this is the audio quality of how the mic sounds. Yeah, so that was it for the video. I hope you all liked the video. If you all have reached till here, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you all in the next video. Bye.